Can you dig it, sucker? Sucker.
Hey, I'm out here with John Ward, and he come down and we've been fishing yesterday, went live today. We're gonna do some videos. We got really got anything. Built us a little fire right here. Oh man, nice and cozy. It's only because he got cold.
And it is cold on the water. I ain't gonna deny it.
Oh yeah, it's cold down there. Wind's blowing, but we come down to a spot where in the springtime, this is an excellent out here. This is an excellent mussel bed out here, and mussel wall in here thick. And there's been some 80-pounders caught out here this year, and a bunch of 50s and 60s. So we're down here trying to stay out of the wind, trying to catch some fish. Like I said, we've got some good.
Fire making skills 101.
Oh yeah, how are we gonna do it?
Okay, hey, day 2, we tried it right here on the main river, on the Mississippi River. It is super muddy, it's the wind's blowing. It's actually a little cooler. We had to build a fire. Oh, John built a fire. I enjoyed it too.
I am the fire starter. Firebug.
But like I said yesterday on the live, they come hell or high water. I was getting him out here on this river, and this is the only place I know I can get him that we can be basically out of the wind, because the trees are moving up there, and the wind is blowing, and it's a lot cooler. Clouds moving in, the rain's trying to get closer. So we tried, but like I said, it's super muddy, worked up. The river salad trash going through there is so bad that it covered the lines, and the bait is just water up. And it's like, I mean, we got 3 good hits, but other than that,
no takers. But hey, we tried. That's all you can do. It's why they call it fishing, not catching.
yep.
And we're gonna do it again. I mean, it's cold. Winter time's just approaching us. That right now. Well, in Ohio it's already winter time, but down here it's still a little hoodie weather.
Missourian. Yeah, it's wintertime. Mississippi River's unpredictable. I mean, you got some pretty decent days. You can get out there, especially the boat, catch some good ones. You can catch some from the bank, but the far few in between. But you do get them.
Yes, sir. We'll get them. We got plenty of time.
Yeah. Yesterday we didn't get skunk. He did catch one, and so he caught one out of the water's way here, and he's hopefully looking forward to getting some more. And we're gonna watch all this line of barges going down through there.
Yeah, barges all day barges.
Lined up. I mean, just heading down through there. I guess to take advantage of high water. But anyway, we hope y'all enjoy visiting. I enjoyed John being down here.
Oh, I definitely enjoyed it. If you guys ever get an opportunity to travel and go fish with another fellow YouTuber, Rustic, he's a great guy. I really appreciate him taking his time out of his life to take me fishing. I mean, it means a lot to me. And with that thought, I'm out. Catch you guys on the next cast.
That's right. Like you said, get a chance, opportunity to go fish with somebody, go do it. I mean, you never really know somebody until you hang out with them. And John, the real deal. Hey, look him up, John Order Outdoorsman. There you go. YouTubers, Angler of the Year. Peace out.
Peace.